Now here comes a little bit of a tricky part. We already have our cylinder right there. It's where we want it, but we need to make sure it goes through the star completely in order to make the hole. So I'm going to click on this box here and I'm going to change the angle. We're going to look at it kind of, actually you can go to your home view and zoom in until you find a good spot. I think that's actually pretty good right there. Now we're going to click on the cylinder hull. And you'll see one thing that we haven't talked about yet. We have the 4 corners, white corners, and then we have that one white one, which is how tall it is. Right above that one is a little black cone. You see it right there? You're going to click on that, and you're going to hold it. And this allows you to move it up or down. This doesn't change the height. It changes the location of it along that Z-axis. Okay? So right now it was like this. We want it to go all the way through, but not too much. Right? You want to be able to see the cylinder on the top and on the bottom. Once you have that, you can let it go, and it should look something like that. That's the first part of that step. The second part of that step is actually pretty easy. You're going to select everything that you have here. So you're going to click on the blue part, hold, and you're going to make a little box. Once you're over everything, you're going to let go, and it's going to select all 3 objects. It selected the star, the W, and the cylinder. And we're going to make it all one group, and you're going to see what happens when it's grouped together. To group it, you see this little square with the circle button up here. You're going to click on that, and it's going to poof, make one group. Now watch this. If we rotate this, you can actually see through. That's where we put the hole. Okay. Now again, remember, the color doesn't matter right now. The color you're going to get after it's printed, depending on the color paint that we choose. Okay, but again, if you want to change the color to see what color you would want to use, you can go, you click on the color here, and you can go to something else just to see what it might look like. All right, that's it for that step.